guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here on the Disney Destiny and I figured why not go and pin trade. I brought all my pins with me. A couple weeks ago I pin traded at the Magic Kingdom and I thought it was so much fun, and we even found some new sets and completed some sets. So I figured we should go around and see all the different pin boards. I ended up getting a whole new bag off of Amazon so then I could fit more pins, but we have a bunch. I even have some cute little cruise pins. I don't think I'm gonna trade these because they're so cute. And then I even have like some Maleficent and Avengers and all sorts of ones. So we're gonna see if we can find maybe some more popsicles. Also, when I was at Lookout the other day, I ended up buying a couple new pins. I got these. I got this really cute Stitch one in front of the ship. And then I got another Lookout pin. And while I'm on here, I think I'm gonna get another pin that's like for the Destiny and maybe see if they have any more blind bags. So on Facebook, there is like groups for every single like cruise on Disney. So you can join them and they'll have like a pin trading group and a bunch of other things. But on there, they had like a whole Google Doc. And so I have a whole list of rooms. But we're gonna start with the first one all the way down on 2 and then work our way all the way to 12. Ooh, look at those. That one's cool. But it's real cool.
This one?
Oh my gosh, I think that is the one that I'm missing. We need to get that one. That one's cool, I like it. I think we're gonna trade it for this little Mickey guy. There we go. Okay, I think I've completed most of the set besides the silver Ursula. I didn't realize I was missing that one. I've been looking for one other one. I didn't realize it was Maleficent, but we found it, so that's fun. Also, I'm pretty sure I've passed the Ursula one like 50 times before, but now I know I'm looking for a silver one. All right, the next ones that we're gonna trade is this little toad guy and this little like baseball player. I love the carpet on this floor. It's all like Hercules themed. It's so pretty. They even have blue walls. And look at the chandelier. It has like the Pegasus and then Hercules. It's really cute. Ooh, they have a bunch of pins. Okay, I don't see any ones that I need for sets, but he's really cute. Or Eve is really cute. So I like that one. Goodbye, Mr. Toad. She's so cute. I couldn't pass it up. I mean, she's adorable. Okay, here's all of these pins. They don't have many or the ones that I need. I was gonna get the chicken, but I guess I already have it. So we're gonna pass on this one, but that's cute. Yeah, I have the chicken. I'm just missing the pig. This is one that I've been missing for like years now. So one by one I've gotten them, but I'm just missing a pig. So, you know, if any of you have a pig, let me know, because I kind of need one. I'm so close to completing it though. This is honestly the cutest hallway because the Oceaneers Club is over there. So it's all like Wreck-It Ralph themed. And look at all of these. They're all in their little race cars. This is literally the cutest thing ever. No. All right, now up to 6. Ooh, look at these pins. They have Duffy. Oh no, they have the girl version of Duffy. That's cute. They also have Mother Gothel. I don't have her either. I kind of have like a whole collection of little Tsum Tsums now. So I think I'm gonna take Mother Gothel, but since we're on a cruise, we also gotta get her too. All right, we're gonna trade for this little softball guy and then a little mini. I wanna try and complete sets, but since we're on a cruise, if I see any cruise pins, we might have to get them because I already have a cute little Mickey. I even have Duffy with his little ears. So the ears mix in with the girl Duffy. It's kind of cute. Okay, these are the next couple ones we're trading. I have the duplicate of this little Goofy guy, so I'm also going to trade him. If you saw when we were at Magic Kingdom, I found a bunch of these little guys, and hopefully we can find another little Mickey guy, maybe to trade him with. All right, I found this pin board. Oh my gosh, they have the same one that I just got. That one's cute. I also have Rapunzel. Okay, so we might skip this one, but that one is still cute. I guess we're gonna pass on that one. But it is cool that they have a bunch of pin boards. I think there's like 28 different ones in total, so over time we're gonna find them. Okay, so now we're on 7. There's like 5 different rooms, I think, on here. So we're gonna go and see their pins. This is a good way to get your steps in. Oh, look at this room. They got like the little streamers. It's all decked out for Christmas. Oh, and here's all their pins. Okay, I might need to get a cupcake because he's really cute. I've never seen him before. That one's cute. We're gonna trade for this little Mickey guy. There we go. There's another one. I have this girl too. That one I got years ago. Okay, so I have Daisy. I have the little guy here. So, oh yeah, and the little guy.
And you have Mike.
Yeah, and I have little Mike. I love this little guy though, he's cute. That's cool, I didn't see that one on the list. So some of these pin boards might not even be on the list. So Maybe just check out for those. This one is adorable. He's so cute. It's just a little Pluto cupcake. I wonder if there's like a whole set for it. I'll have to look out for that. Even though it doesn't complete a set, it was too cute to pass up. So, you know, we'll start a new set. Oh, okay, they don't have many here, but that one's cute. Oh, look at the little chip guy. Okay, I don't think he goes with the Tsum Tsum collection, but I might have to get him. He looks close enough. Look at that. All right, we're gonna trade for this little tiny Stitch guy. I've been meaning to get rid of him for a while. Okay, we have two more on this side. 76.52 and 76.82. Okay, look at this. That's cute. Makes it look like a little wreath, a little like Duffy, little turtle. Oh, this is cute. It's Stitch. I love it. Oh, look at that little one. I don't think I have this one. I don't know what it is. Maybe like Tiana, Maleficent, something like that. These are the ones that I have so far. I have a bunch of them. We should get that one out of the collection. This one's cool. It's all like swirly. Since we found that one, I'm gonna trade for the little goofy one. This is a really cute pin board though. I like it. Okay, we found this door. Ooh, look at these. I think I have the Pluto one. Maybe we go with this one. I don't have him yet. And he's like a big Tsum Tsum. Now he can be added to the collection. All right, we're gonna trade for Anna. I like this pin board too. It's like a little Mickey. Those are really cool. I like how the other one had like Stitch and this one has like Mickey. I'll have to get a pin board and put it out the next cruise. We'll have to either buy one or make one. That'd be cool. Maybe like Stitch or Mickey or a whole different character. All right, we're gonna go downstairs to the coffee shop and go take a little break and get some coffee. Oh look, it's Merida. We're actually going to Cafe Merida, so it's perfect. This one's a really cool elevator though. I love all the heroes. It even has little Baymax. And on the other side, it has Fantasia Mickey. This is literally the prettiest, coolest picture ever. It shows the Destiny joining all its rest of its sisters. That is literally so cute. It has like the Lion King over here, like the little like rocks and all sorts of different things, like the villains. Yes, and Greece over here for Hercules. This is perfect. It like ties it in, but almost like subtly. This cafe is so cool. It's all like Merida themed. Thank you. It's so cute. Look at how cute it is. It's a little Stitch with a little heart. It's good. I like the butterscotch. It's like nice and smooth. It's good and it's so cute. All right, now off to more pins. All right, now we're gonna go up to 8. Ooh, okay, we found the pin board. No way, they have Dumbo. That is the cutest little guy. Okay, I know he doesn't go with a set, but I need him. He's too cute. All right, we're gonna trade a Dumbo for another Dumbo. This one is so cute though. Like, look at that. It's like a little baby. And they can have another Dumbo. Look at him. He looks almost like a little baby. This is the cutest thing ever. I wonder if they have another pin set that's like all the feet or not. That would be cool. There are so many pin sets. I just keep finding them. And I know this doesn't go with a set, but it was too cute to pass up. Oh, okay, here's these pins. I love their pin board. Look at it, it's like a little castle. I was gonna get Timon, but I guess I already have him. So I think we're gonna skip this one for now. All right, now on to deck 9. Ooh, this floor is cute. It's different. I think it's like all like Merida themed. They even have the little like lights up here that have like the 3 bears on it. Oh, and the floor has little Mickeys that point to the forward. So if you're ever lost, you can just look that way and you'll find it. Okay, we found the pins. These are cute. Oh my gosh, Duffy is the cutest. I don't know, do I have Piglet? Yes, I do have Piglet. So let's get Duffy. I mean, that is the cutest thing ever. All right, we're gonna trade for this little Donald guy. Oh, and they have another pin board next door too. These are cute. I don't think we need any of those. But that's cool because they're right next to each other. Ooh, I found the next one. This one's cool. They have a couple of different ones. We'll pass on this one because I actually have the Tinkerbell one. But they do have a couple here. Those are fun. That one actually wasn't even on the list, so that's cool. So if you're walking around, you might find ones that might not even be on it. Oh, there's another one. I literally just walked past it. They have a bunch of different ones here too. I wish they had a pig. They have a fish though. We're gonna keep going though, because I don't have anything I need over here. I'm always sad to pass one of them down, because I always like to trade. I just like the trading of it, but you know, sometimes you have to pass. All right, now we're on deck 10, and we've got like 3 more left. We have 10 and like 2 on 12. This one is actually one of my favorite floors. We have this carpet on 11, and it's so nice. It's Baymax themed, and even has little Mickeys. And on the ceiling, it's Baymax and San Francisco. It's so cute. Ooh, look at theirs. They have a little Haunted Mansion one. Oh, they have little Mickey ears. They have all sorts of ones. They have Yoda, and they have Aurora. Actually, I think I have an Ariel one. Okay, here it is. It's a little Ariel one, but now I have Aurora, so I think we are gonna get her. And then we have a bunch of Tsum Tsums, so we've got to get Yoda too. All right, we'll take Aurora, and we'll exchange it for a little crown. And then for Yoda, I'm just gonna give him this little Mickey. Oh, and I also just realized I have little Duffy ears, so I think we need to get the little Mickey one, or a mini one, to add to the set. Ooh. Okay, I have these left. Maybe we give him the Dumbo one. That's kind of cute. And there we go. They had some good pins. Also, look at this. That is so cool. It's almost like 3D printed. I need one of those. All right, now up to 12 for the last ones. Well, how convenient. It's literally right next to the stairs. Ooh, look at all their pins. They have like a little bag. That's fun. Okay, they don't have any sets, but I do really like this one. She's fun. All right, we're gonna trade for this little hand. It actually makes a heart, so if you have the other side, that would be cool. And you could get them both, make a little heart. This is cool. I like this pin. Honestly, I don't know if I'm wrong or not. I think this is Wanda, but let me know down below, which Marvel character is this? Also, this is like my favorite hallway. Look at this. It's so pretty. It has little Fantasia Mickey on the ceiling. Okay, well, we just went to the last one, and they don't have a pin board out. We're gonna go down to the shops because I saw a couple pins the other day that I want to get, and they don't do any like official pin trading, I guess, on here. I asked them the other day, but some of the shops do have some pins, so I'm gonna go see if I can trade with them too. All right, let's go check out Mickey's Mainsail. Ooh, I already see some pins. Look at these. Okay, they have this whole like 6-pack of pins. This one's cool. They're all like little heroes. I think these are like $40. And then they have this one. Look at this. This one's really cute. It's Minnie as a little superhero. I'm thinking of getting this one, but I want to go look at a couple more before I decide. She's so cute though. Like, look at that. Ooh, they also have like the inaugural sailing, like just with the ship. Oh, they have Spider-Man on the back of the ship. Wakanda, the statue. Oh, and they even have a little 3 set with like the Destiny and the ship. Oh, and I just noticed he also moves so he can swing back and forth. They have a ton more over here, all sorts of different like princesses and villains. Oh, they even have these. I've never seen these before. They're like little crowns for all the different princesses. And then on the other side, they have a ton more characters. I love Stitch. That one's cute. They have these ones. Those are fun with little bells on them. They have, oh my gosh, they have Pirate Stitch. That is the cutest. A bunch of Lion King, the Dalmatians, Haunted Mansion, all sorts of good ones. Oh, even Baby Groot. That one is adorable. They also have some starter sets. I like all the villains. Those are fun. And then they even have the Lion King. And then they have a bunch of different sets. They even have ducks. So like they're little like Disney ducks, and they have different characters on the back of them. Those are really cute. And then they have the Munchling ones. Oh, and they even have little character mugs. Oh, and they even have little princess pastries. Look at all those. All of them are themed to the princesses. And then these are all their cruise pins. They're all in their little cruise outfits. These are all so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the Stitch one. He's adorable. Oh, and little Chip and Dale. They're even like in their little floaties. And Stitch, I love it. They're at the pool. Oh, and they even have the little ice cream, which is on like the Dream and the Fantasy. Those are fun. All of them eating dinner. Okay, these are too cute. And this one spins. No way. Look at that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this blind bag. This one's cool. It has a bunch of them, like Stitch and all sorts of ones. So we're gonna buy this one. I'm also gonna ask them if they have any pins. Thank you. Oh, there's so many of them. They have a bunch of different pins. Oh, we just got a Pluto cupcake, so we should get that one. Look, little Jiminy Cricket. I think I'm gonna get that one. Look at that. It's like little Marie. We'll trade it for a little flower. Okay, and I can't not get Jiminy Cricket. We gotta get him too. We're gonna trade it for a little Donald guy. Perfect. Thank you guys. I couldn't pass him up. He's too cute. Like, his little face, I just love him. And I mean, we just got a Pluto cupcake, so we had to get a little Marie one. And it's cute too. I love pins. All right, but let's go open the blind bag and I'll show you the little Destiny pin. All right, I got the 2. I got the Destiny one with Minnie. I just thought it was so cute. And then we got the orange blind bag. If you saw the Magic Kingdom pin trading vlog, I got the pink one of these. They didn't have that one. They only had the green and the orange. And the last time, I got 2 of them, which ended up being a mistake because we got like 4 out of 5 of them were then duplicates. So I can't wait to see what this one is. There's a bunch of them here though. I kind of want like pretty much all of them. Like I like the little ice creams. I love like Stitch, the little drinks. They're all really cute. Even the little marine macaroon. The pink one was chaotic though, because I was so excited and I was like, oh no, and then we just got all duplicates, but now we have a bunch. All right, let's see. Oh, they're individually wrapped. That's fun. The other ones didn't come that way. All right, let's see. Ooh, this one's fun. I like him. This one looks like Scrooge. That's super cute. Let's see the next one. Aw, this one's so cute. It's little Dale. All right, we got 3 more. No way, I got Chip. No, that's so cute. Now we have them both. That is so cute. I mean, you can't have Chip without Dale. And that's funny, I actually unboxed them literally right after another. All right, let's see. I'm hoping for maybe Stitch. Maybe we get a little Bobo on. No way. Guys, I got Dumbo. Okay, hold on. It's actually a Heffalump, I think. But either way, it's adorable. This is the one that I also wanted. It's so cute with like the little whipped cream on top. It's like a little cupcake. All right, and for the last one, what are we gonna get? I don't know which one I want. I want them all. Want these? Oh, this is the one I wanted. Look at them. They're so cute. They're like little ice cream or like sorbet. They're so cute. They're just 3 little ducks. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. These are the cutest. It looks like lemon and blueberry and then maybe like strawberry or raspberry. Okay, I actually love it. We got Chip and Dale, which is perfect. And then we got Scrooge and then the 3 ducks, which go perfect with him too. And then this little like Heffalump. I love them. All right. There we go. Now they're all with their little friends. This is actually my favorite set. Next time at another park, on another ship, something, we'll have to get the green bag. I don't really want to get another orange bag just because I'm scared after the pink bag that I might only get 1 new one, but we'll have to get the green next time. Okay, I think we did pretty well. We got a bunch of new ones. We have this new one, an Aurora. We even got cupcakes, which we'll have to keep finding more of them, and a little ears to go with the Duffy ones. And we got Maleficent, which I didn't even know I needed, so that was perfect. Now we're just looking for 1 more, which is the Silver Ursula. And then of course, we got some new ones to go with the other ones. And then we got a few new ones like Yoda and Mother Gothel. And then we got a couple new ones from this one, the little Jiminy Cricket, Duffy, and like this little guy and that one. This was so much fun. I love getting to collect more pins because it's just so cool, and collecting different sets and finding new sets, kind of like the cupcakes, and opening blind bags are always the best. And I didn't realize that you could pin trade on the ship. It's really cool. There's a bunch of people that have like different boards, which is always fun. They don't have official pin trading like here, but I heard on some of the other ships they do, where like everybody will line up with like all their pins. So maybe on another ship that I go on, I'll have to see if they have it. But I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below, and let me know where should I pin trade next. See you guys next time. Bye.